If you just once have installed this corner cabinet from Ikea, you will know how impossible it is to reach that leg right there in the corner, simply because your arms are too short. So when you find yourself lying on the floor in front of the cabinet, reaching for that leg all the way into the corner, you will feel like T-Rex trying to plug in 2 extension cords. Your arms are simply not long enough. In this video, I will show you how I go around that problem. So keep watching. So there it is, the corner cabinet, 38 by 38 inches. Step number 1, put on the base plates for the legs. As you can see, I have put the fully assembled cabinet on its back, and I have mounted all those 8 base plates for the legs. I find that it's a lot easier to put the leg in the base plate when the cabinet is hanging on the wall than to take the leg and the base plate and put onto the cabinet. Step number 2, put on 2 legs, as shown right here. Try not to feel adventurous and put all the legs on. We don't need that, and they will definitely fall off again. So just put on those 2 legs as you see in the picture. Step number 3, turn the cabinet around and make sure that those 2 legs you just put in don't fall off. They really need to stay in place as they are supporting the cabinet when we hang it on the rail. Step number 4, hang the cabinet, but only hang it on the 2 brackets on the back. At this point, we are not pushing the cabinet to the right in the corner because we need 1 foot of clearance on the right hand side of the cabinet. Step number 5, and now you have to use your imagination because I'm actually not showing me moving in between the cabinets and the wall and attaching that leg right up in the corner. But I'm sure you know what I mean. So you step in there with 1 leg in your hand and you put that up under the cabinet and make sure that it fits into the groove in the base plate, and then you screw the leg downwards towards the floor, just so it touches the floor. Don't in any way add pressure on the leg, just down so it's touching the floor. Step number 6, now you grab the cabinet right where I have put those 2 red marks and you lift it upwards while you're moving it sidewards. You need to lift it up a bit so you don't push that leg out of the base plate at the back. You do not want that to happen. So lift it up and slide it to the right and lower it down again, and make sure that that 3rd bracket on your right hand side is now engaged into the suspension rail on the wall. Step number 7, now that the cabinet is hanging on the rail, you can lug it into the rail with those gray plastic lock nuts, all 3 of them. Step number 8, if you haven't done it already, go ahead and add those small metal pieces on top of the cabinet, because that's where we're going to put our level to make sure that it's sitting well and is horizontal. Before we level the cabinets, we do have to put on all the legs though, and make sure you add all of them. However, as you see in this picture, it's important that you do not extend the legs at the wall down to the floor just yet. Just put them on, but make sure that they are lifted 1/2 inch. If they are extended all the way to the floor, they may prevent the cabinet to come down and sit as horizontal as we would like it to be. Step number 10. Now it's time to level your cabinet, and that's done like you level any other cabinet. You put on a level or use a laser, and then you adjust the legs closest to you. Not the one at the wall, but just the one at the front of the cabinet. First you do it on this side of the cabinet, and then you do it on the other side of the cabinet. And then you go back and forth until both of them are absolutely horizontal. Step number 11, and the very last step in this cabinet installation, is that you grab your pipe wrench and you get down on the floor and you reach for that leg at the very back. And now with that pipe wrench, you can adjust the leg, the final bit, down to the floor, so you make sure that it is firmly extended and is touching the floor. And that's it. That's the whole procedure.